So basically when I try to access my file using this object URL, I was unable to access it. Let's try one more time. Okay, now it's unable to access. Now if you want to access this file from anywhere in the globe, you have to look into the policies and permissions. First I'll go back to my bucket, click on permissions. Here you have it's blocked for all public access, right? Click on this edit option, adukaprom uncheck this box and click on save changes. This will allow public traffic to get into your S3, but your file is still encrypted. Even if you enable that, if I try to refresh it, still you can't reach. Your file is still encrypted, or you can think of access denied. So scroll down, you have to enable bucket policy. Click on edit, click on generator. Idila I am creating a policy for my S3 bucket for everyone. Action should be get object, and I want to apply this get object permission for all the files inside my bucket. Get object ARN should be here. Just remove this. So you have to put slash and star. Slash or potana, it will be applicable to all the files inside my bucket. Then click on add statement and then create generate policy. Now this policy you have to copy paste in your this space and then click on save changes. All other. So then it has been changed now. Now if I go back to my the same file, or I simply copy again, bucket Vishnu, my file, click on the object, correct, paste. Now we can access it. Before we are unable to access it. Now after applying this policy and permission changes, now we can access that same file using my laptop IP. Clear? How do I access it? Do it once again for practice now.